Are you using the wrong toner or serums for your skin type? That could be the reason your skin still feels dry, oily, or even irritated. It's very important to know the kind of toners and serums to use for your skin type. Now, before we go into the different kinds of serums for different skin types, let's know what a hydrating toner and serums really do. Hydrating toners helps to replenish moisture, prep your skin, and balance your skin after cleansing your skin. While hydrating serums are more concentrated and penetrate deeper into your skin, and it also targets dryness and dehydration. Now let's start with the first skin type, which is dry skin. For toner, you know you have dry skin and you want to get a toner, look for toners with hyaluronic acid or even glycerin or pentanol. Avoid alcohol-based toners. Any toners that has alcohol in it, please avoid it totally. Don't use such toners if you know you have dry skin. Number one example of affordable toner that you can try is the Dr. Rachel hyaluronic acid toner. For serums, you need to go for serums that are rich in ceramides, peptides, hyaluronic acid. Example of serums to use is the First Fat hyaluronic acid serum, or the ordinary hyaluronic acid serum, or even the First Fat ceramide serum. Now let's move on to oily and acne prone skin. You need to go for toners that contains niacinamide, salicylic acid, and a lightweight hydration like aloe vera. You can try the COSRX AHA clarifying treatment toner. For serums, you need an oil-free, water-based serums like niacinamide or zinc. You can try the First Fat niacinamide serum. If you know you have combination skin, which is what I have, you need to go for balancing toners with light hydrators and mild exfoliants. And the one I'm currently using is the Aqua Licorice pH Balancing Cleansing Toner. This toner actually helps in brightening and hydrating my skin as well. So this is what you should look out for if you know that you have combination skin. So for serums, you need to go for hydrating serums that aren't heavy. You can actually use the hyaluronic acid serum or even your vitamin C serum. So if you have normal skin, you know normal skin, you can get away with anything. You have flexibility, but you still have to focus on hydration. So you can as well use any of the toners and the serums that I've mentioned earlier. If you have sensitive skin, you need to look out for toners that will calm and suit your skin. You don't want toners that, you know, is going to irritate your skin or cause redness on your skin. You know, sensitive skin, you have to be extra careful. So you need to look out for soothing toners. Example of soothing and calming toner that you can try is the simple soothing facial toner. Yes, this toner is actually very good if you have sensitive skin, and it's quite affordable as well. This Aqua Licorice toner is also very good if you have sensitive skin. It's even written here, toner for sensitive skin. So you're actually going to also hydrate your skin and also brighten your skin and also balance your skin. Okay, you can as well try this one out as well. It's just that this one is a little bit pricey. That's why I said you can use the simple soothing toner if you are on a tight budget. So for serums, you need to focus on these three things: hydration, soothing, and barrier repair. So for serums, you can try the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% serum. Now let me ask you this: take a look at your current routine. Are your products truly tailored to your skin type? If your answer is no, that means you need to adjust. If your answer is yes, then you know what to do. Continue. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'm bringing to you on this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.